So first off, a correction from my last video. The step down produced by this circuit is 1000, not 10,000. So we should be reading between 10 volts and 60 volts. So what we have this hooked up to now is an oscilloscope, which measures volt potential difference drop off over time. So I'm going to turn it on, and that faint line right there is on the y-axis is the potential difference, and right now the setting is on 10 volts per square, so it spikes up to about over 20. And so now I'm going to increase the x-axis scale, and what that's showing us is the frequency of the pulses caused by the AC current, and it's on a scale of about 5 milliseconds and per square, and so the difference is about 12, and 1 over 12 would be the frequency, which is about the frequency of the AC current. So there's the first setting, about 20 volts. There's a second setting, about 24-ish. Third setting, fourth,